Welcome back. This is a familiar place for you guys, right? Because it's a familiar place for me. It is time to get this thing just started and back to where we basically were, which was grinding to get this thing done, because it has been sitting for a little too long because of how many other things I've been doing. What I gotta do right now is start gutting the front of this thing, and I'm going to lay this thing up there. So right here, right in the back, see this big bow? Because of how long this has been sitting, well, I need to get this thing to take its shape. It sucks doing by yourself, but thankfully it's light. I was gonna wait to be able to have a hand with doing this, but I'm too impatient, so I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna move you back just a hair. Let's do this. I should put gloves on, but that just hurt. That's crazy. Like a glove.
This thing needs so much work to make it nice, Kevin.
Of course it needs a lot of work. A labor of love.
It's horrible.
That's how crazy that front end is. Guys, I'm leaving off this video right here. It was short, but it was sweet, and it was to the point. I got everything that I had to get done. And there's nothing better for me or anyone than completing what you set out to complete. Complete your missions, set your goals, get them done. I'm ending the video off right here because I'm gonna have a lot to do. I'm gonna have a lot to do for the remainder of the next probably week or two trying to get this shape all done. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Welcome, Kyle, to the world of the internet, where everything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law, because none of this goes away. Respectfully,
I don't really care, to be honest.
Kyle, say hi.
I have to say.
Say hi to the internet. To the internet. Loud and clear. If you could tell YouTube one thing, what would it be?
If I could tell YouTube one thing,
What would it be?
high school sweethearts are overrated.
Take it to the grave.